So today, as you can see, we are covering one of the very most important concept today, which is community service. So as you all know, community service has been added as a new punishment in BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, previously known as IPC. So today we are discussing about this community service entirely, related to what is this community service and what are the sections or what are the offenses which have community service as a punishment according to BNS. So as you can see here, so types of punishments under chapter 2 of BNS has been mentioned here. So in IPC generally there are 5 punishments, right? So but now whenever an MCQ is asked according to BNS, so now there are 6 punishments. So section 4 of BNS deals with types of punishments such as death, imprisonment for life, imprisonment which is rigorous and simple, forfeiture of property, fine, and this is the new one which has been added. So section 4 clause F speaks about community service according to BNS. So remember this section, it's a very important section. So as now you are having criminal laws, new criminal laws for also Telangana JCJ exam. So remember all the core important sections and these will definitely have the weightage. So do not forget what all the new sections or the new terminology has been added from all the new criminal laws. So as you can see here, the section is section 4 clause F, which speaks about one of the punishments in BNS, that is community service. So what exactly is a community service? So here in any of the act, it is not defined specifically with a definition, but you have to understand a community service is nothing but it's a form of punishment which is given for petty offenses, like not serious in nature, small petty offenses that are not serious in nature. So generally this is given to reduce the burden of jails and also to reform the accused. So the person who has committed the crime, to reform such person, a community service known as a new form of punishment has been added. So as you can see here, you can refer to section 23 of BNSS, which is Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. So in that section 23 states about sentences which magistrate can pass. So under this section, there is an explanation regarding community service. So refer to section 23 and what does it state in the explanation? So the explanation is where the court may order the convict to perform the community service as a punishment. So it should benefit the community and there will be no remuneration to the person who is performing the community service as a punishment because it is a step to reformative justice. So not all the convicts should be punished or sent to prison. They should also have some reformation in their life so that they'll do some community service which will be held by the courts or NGOs. So all the works which they are doing towards the society for a good and reformative characteristic of them, it will be termed as a community service. So I hope you understood what is exactly a community service by now. So in BNS, these are the sections which cover community service as a punishment. So let us see what are these sections. So section 202 of BNS speaks about public servant unlawfully engaging in trade. So now this offense also has community service as a punishment along with. So generally for section 202, it is 1 year imprisonment or fine or both now or community service also. So likewise, there is one more section which has community service as a punishment, which is section 209, that speaks about non-appearance in response to the proclamation under section 84 of BNSS. So for this also you will have community service as a punishment. So along with 3 years or fine or both or with community service, you have a imprisonment for this also. Now the next section is 226, which deals about attempt to commit suicide to compel or restrain from applying or restrain of lawful power. So for this also you are having community service as a punishment, along with, so you have 1 year imprisonment or fine or both imprisonment and fine or with community service. The next section is section 303 subsection 2, which speaks about punishment for theft. So generally punishment for theft is 3 years, right? So now why is it community service? Because here they have mentioned the stolen property value should be less than 5,000. So if the stolen property value, so community service is generally given for petty offenses, right? So here, if the stolen property value is less than 5,000 rupees and if the person has committed the theft for the first time, then the person should be given community service as a punishment, and also the value should be returned. That means whatever the stolen property value should be returned. The next one, 355, which is misconduct in public by a drunken person. So this is actually the smallest punishment in IPC, right? Which is having 10 rupees fine before. But now, according to 355, what is the punishment for the misconduct in public by a drunken person? So here, now the fine has been increased to 1,000 rupees, and you will also be having community service. So either you have to pay 1,000 rupees or you will be sent for a community service. The last section, 356 subsection 2, punishment for defamation. So before, for punishment for defamation, it is 2 years as per IPC. Now according to BNS, it is 2 years or fine or community service. So these are the important sections which cover community service as a punishment. So the last one, go through section 8 subsection 5 of BNS, which is section 67 of IPC. Suppose, so how do you understand this section? So first I'll explain so that later you can go and read this section from BNS. So suppose there is an offense committed by a convict, and the offense which he has committed has some fine as a punishment or community service as a punishment. Okay. Now the offender neither paid fine and nor agreed for a community service. Then what will happen? So if it is a default of fine or if it is default of a community service, then you will be sent for imprisonment. So that's what we are talking here, and this section explains that section 8 subsection 5 states that whenever a person has committed an offense which has fine of less than 5,000 rupees, or if the punishment for the offense committed by the convict has a community service, and by default, if the convict has defaulted these two things, these two which were given, then he will be sent for 2 months of imprisonment if the value is less than 5k or if it is having community service. Suppose if the offense which he has committed has a punishment of fine that he has to pay 10k, 10,000, and it is also having, or it is having a community service, and by default of this fine which he has to pay 10k and community service, then he has to go for an imprisonment for 4 months. So refer to this section also, which is section 8 subsection 5. So hope you understood everything regarding this community service, what are the sections involved in it, and how many offenses are there, and many more things about community service. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.